Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant long loading screen easy and quick. First click here and then go to graphics settings, and now once you're here you will find hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. So now just turn it on and then close this one. After that you have to restart your computer, and after restarting your computer click here, right click on your just right click on your desktop here and then go to NVIDIA control panel. Now just wait a few seconds. And here is it. And after that click this one here, use my preference, and move it to performance, and then just click apply, and I hope that can help you to fix your problem. And if that doesn't fix it, the last solution here is to go to view advanced system settings and then go to settings. Now adjust it for best performance and then enable these three options. I just prefer it like that, and then click apply and OK. And you can adjust it for best appearance whenever you want. And after that, just go ahead and try your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.